All right, what's up, boys? Today is Monday, May 19th. Made, I want to say around 300 or 400 times 4 plus like $2,000 in around 10 seconds trading the Nasdaq this morning. Not bad at all. Not bad because it was just a 10-second trade. But let's get into the trade recap. So bias coming into market open. Let's look at the daily time frame first. What do we see? Clearly in an uptrend, right? The daily is in an uptrend, right? What do we see here? A daily fair value gap. Price already mitigated, already tapped into, but what do we do here? We resweep that low inside of a bullish daily and 4 hour. And then what do we get? On the hourly chart, right? Sweep of sell side inside a bullish PD array. What do we got here? Closure above the previous move to the upside before a sweep of sell side. 1 hour CISD right here. Perfect textbook CISD. Right? Coming out of there, what do we get? Tap into the 1 hour CISD. Creating a bullish 15-minute fair value gap that we never inversed. We got close to inversing, but we never actually did. Right? We have this internal high. We have London highs and we have Asian highs. Right? Internal high, London high, Asian high. Wow, price is still pumping. Holy shit. All right. But we don't care for that. We care for our draw, which was this internal high, right? So we got this 5-minute bearish fair value gap. Take out sell side once again. 5-minute bearish fair value gap, inverse it. That is where I entered long. I actually entered long at 928 because I was afraid 929 was going to distribute a little too much, which it didn't really. Got lucky. But this candle essentially opened up like right here. Like, I don't know if you guys saw 9:30 today, but it opened up essentially like right there. So that was my trade for the day. I was literally done in the first 10 seconds of market open. It was a 15-second trade essentially. So I did enter at 9:28, exited. So it was 2 minutes, but the trade where I was supposed to enter, where the Discord entered, was 10 to 15 seconds. Not a bad trade at all. I'm currently trading my personal account and Tradeify Simta Live, or the straight to live ones. Made 400 on 4 of those. Last one did not copy trade, and then I made $300 on my personal account. So that is $1,900. I'm not mad about it. Should have been more because my fill was also shit. It was supposed to be $600. I got fucking sold like here. Like actually like there. That's bullshit. But whatever. Can't be mad about a win. It's a very simple trade, right? So sweep of an internal sell side inside of a higher time frame bullish PD being a 4 hour and daily. On the hourly, we get a 1 hour bullish CISD. CISD, not shit. So now we know that price is shifting to bullish momentum inside a higher time frame bullish PD rate. So the daily is bullish, the 1 hour is bullish, 4 hours still bearish, 15-minute is bullish. And then we get lastly 5-minute bullish confirmation to go long. Looking back, should have definitely held 2 London highs. It was such a clear draw on liquidity, but there was SMT with the US consistently throughout this trade. So I just wanted to play really safe. But overall, this was a better trade. Also a very clean AMD setup. If you look at it on the bigger picture, look at all this accumulation. What does price do? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So clean AMD on the higher time frame. 5-minute inversion to the upside inside a bullish 15-minute coming out of a 1 hour bullish CISD. Targeting internal high, London high. Very simple trade. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments or DM us on TikTok or Instagram. We'll be there to answer. And yeah, I'll see you boys tomorrow for another trade recap. Peace out. Hope you guys have a nice day.